Are you tired of manually sorting emails from the same sender every day? Learn how to auto-label them in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the filter tool. Then, we'll set up the rule and choose the action. Finally, we'll save it. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then, click the filter icon right next to the search box at the top. In the From field, enter the email address of a specific sender you want to filter. Once that's done, click Create Filter at the bottom of the search options window. Now, choose what happens to matching emails by selecting one or more actions. To automatically organize them into a folder-like location, check Apply the label. Finally, save the filter by clicking Create Filter. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.